Hi, today we'll talk about setting up multiple currency payment options inside your Knowledge Hub. This feature is great for course creators, online coaches, and membership business owners who want to sell to international markets. As we know, price transparency is one of the best ways to build trust with your clients. Since the amount of your services is in local currency, there'd be no surprises in our bank statements by the end of the month. Plus, being able to accept payments in multiple currencies makes your brand look professional and globally accessible. All right, so let's set up your account so you can receive payments in multiple currencies. First, click Settings. Then go to My Sales Settings, and we'll select Payment Settings. Okay, under the Select Currency, we will choose the currencies we want. Let's say USD, and then Euro and Canadian dollars. You would notice you have an option to charge taxes. So you can say, for example, add 12% tax. You would also have to choose a default currency if your default currency is not in AUD. Otherwise, the system will automatically set AUD as the default currency for all payments. Okay, then we click Save. That's great. Now we would have to set up the amount per currency on each of the modules. So, for example, we'll set it up on a course. Let's choose this one. So all you have to do is just go to your course folder, click this edit icon, and then scroll down to accept individual payments area. As you can see, I have already set the default. I've already set the amount here. And then you also have an option to show this course on your sales page. Once you're done adding all of the amounts, click Update. All right, congratulations. You can now receive payments in multiple currencies. And just to show you, on your sales page, here's what it actually looks like. Okay, it was this course. So let's say purchase. Okay, so in this area, you can see that by default, it's in AUD because that's our default currency. But then your students or your members have the option to choose their currency in this field. Okay. All right. There you have it. Thank you for your time. And if you have questions, you can reach out to userhelp@wisdome.com.au.